Want more conversions and better return from your Google ads? I'll show you a clear, practical, deep dive into using Target CPA and Target ROAS the right way. What to set, what to avoid, and how to get consistent results. Start in your Google Ads account and open the Tools menu. Go to Budgets and Bidding, then Bid Strategies. Create a new portfolio bid strategy when you want to manage multiple campaigns together, or choose a campaign-level bid if you prefer one-by-one control. Pick Target CPA if your goal is steady conversions at a predictable cost. Pick Target ROAS when conversion values vary and you want the highest revenue for each dollar spent. Before you save anything, get your foundation right. Accurate conversion tracking and consistent value data. Target CPA needs a reliable conversion count. Target ROAS needs conversion values tied to purchases or revenue. If your conversions or values are messy, fix that first. Bidding won't save bad data. When setting targets, be assured, be realistic. For Target CPA, base the target on historical CPA data plus a small margin for the learning phase. For Target ROAS, calculate average revenue per conversion and start with a ROAS that the account has historically hit. Too aggressive a target starves the system of auctions. Too loose leaves money on the table. Use portfolio strategies to group campaigns with similar goals, same funnel stage, same margin profile, or similar audiences. This gives Google more signals and typically improves learning and performance. Keep budgets healthy. If a campaign's budget is too low, the system can't gather enough conversions to exit the learning phase. Let the algorithm learn, but don't be passive. Expect a learning window. Monitor conversions, CPA/ROAS, impression share, and conversion rate. If things veer off after a week or two, check for external causes, landing page changes, major bid adjustments, seasonality, or a sudden drop in traffic quality. Tune these practical levers. Conversion windows and attribution. Align them with your sales cycle so the bid strategy optimizes for true conversions. Conversion value rules. Use them to boost values for specific locations, audiences, or high-margin products when using ROAS. Exclude poor traffic. Block low-quality placements and irrelevant search terms. Cleaner traffic helps smart bidding. Use audience signals. Add remarketing, in-market, or customer match to guide bidding in the right direction. Test gradually. A/B test new targets on a small campaign or ad group before rolling out account-wide. Monitor metrics beyond CPA/ROAS. Check conversion rate, cost per click, and impression share to avoid hidden issues. If you need aggressive scaling, increase budgets first, then nudge targets gradually. Sudden big target changes can force relearning and unstable results. For low volume accounts, consider manual bidding or enhance CPC until you have enough conversions to feed Target CPA/ROAS. Finally, treat bidding as part of a system. Landing pages, creatives, keywords, product feed quality, and data accuracy all matter. Regularly review performance, seasonality, and customer behavior. When targets are tuned to real business outcomes and fed with clean data, Target CPA and Target ROAS will consistently maximize conversions or conversion value for you. Thanks for watching. Try these steps, track the changes, and tweak patiently. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more practical Google Ads guides.